Oh yeah, Burst. It landed on Nalumbo for you, so you got VIP now. So GG. Hey look, it's the Rainbow Bear. I'm still so excited about that. I think that's awesome. How's it already been 11 days of Passionfruit Pantheon? It feels like this is like day 3 or something. What do you mean 11? I think it's lying to me. I hate to say it. Can't you just go up there, like there or something? Hello. Watch this 1x2 tile overhand. Yeah! I did it. I don't remember who ruled it, unfortunately. All I remember is that it happened at some point yesterday. That's about it, though. Good luck, Michelin star. Thanks. I think it'll be pretty easy. I mean, Gordon Ramsay has like, what, like 8 of them or something? I could easily get some. I'm a way better chef than Gordon Ramsay. I can cook mac and cheese. The 3 cheese variant, though. Like, it's a lot more complex because there's 3 different cheeses in the little sauce packet that you're supposed to use. I'd like to see Gordon Ramsay cook that. Yo, did you advance to Rainbow? Let's go. Yeah, it's so much cheese, exactly, that's what I'm saying. Hang on, wait, I wonder if you could just like... That probably works better. No, maybe it doesn't actually. Just like, go wee, and then do that, you know? I watched Viddy's Grandmaster Heartside Golden video today. That was hype. They did it! They got Grandmaster Heartside Golden, everyone! Let's go! Hello! Holy crap, the bot has gained sentience. Because accordions are awesome? We all know this. Ah, that was my first attempt. What? That got so far. All right. I don't think belated Valentine's Day's flag was all too bad. It was pretty high. Oh, GT 1,000 hours. You don't get any points for being connected to a WebSocket. Tragic. No channel points. Scream if you love Passionfruit Pantheon. I don't want to scream though, that's loud. I'll go, ah! How about that? Is that enough of a scream? Not a real scream, you're right. It's because I hate Passionfruit Pantheon, actually. If I was inside a basketball court, oh, I could scream. Don't worry, I could do that, but I'm not. I'm inside my room. So, I don't want to scream. Unfortunately. Let's go, no streak lost. Which is being a meanie. What? Dang, I can't believe Twitch would do that. Ought to speak to the manager over that one, I reckon. Well, that's good that that stopped that list. Yeah, that doesn't sound very fun, though. Sleep is, like, the greatest thing of all time. Except for the whole, like, it's a bit of a time sink. Outside of that, though, holy cow, sleep is a solid 10 out of 10. And if I could give a higher score than a 10 out of 10 for sleep, I would. Okay, that works as a save. If I fumble that one, I don't even know what I fumbled. I don't even remember. But you can save that, I guess. Anyways, watch this back to back. Flag 7 to end deathless. Holy crap, I actually did it. There we go. Flag 6 and 7 back to back. Let's see how far this can go. Oh, what? I missed the Dorner boost? This sucks. No. I missed the Dorner boost. Crap. Oh, that so could have been flag 7 to like flag 5 deathless. That's unfortunate. Can anyone tell how greedy I am? I'm a very greedy person, unfortunately. Gotta work on that. Anyways, flag 7 to flag 6 back-to-back is really good. Oh, I have map timer on. Whoops. From when I was playing Dashless plus B-side earlier. Did you know I have 600 hours in Dashless plus B-side final? I've beaten it a few times, so I'm trying to get the 3 in a row for the golden. It's hard, though. Like, holy cow. You wouldn't believe it. I'm a way better chef than Gordon Ramsay, honestly. Gordon Ramsay would not be able to cook as good of a ramen as I can. Like, sure, all you have to do is put it in the microwave for a little bit, but I have this certain touch to it that just makes it way better than Gordon Ramsay could ever. Yeah, it's a work in progress, but I'm trying to golden it before it comes out. Just for funsies, you know? We all do it sometimes. Oh, I thought I was gonna miss that. I also did not think I had enough speed for the cutscene. No, I didn't do the jelly smuggle right. I missed it. Okay, let's have a repeat of yesterday, except this time I don't die to like the last input of flag 1. And instead I just get checkpoint 6 deathless. Crap. It still could be checkpoint 6 deathless, I guess, technically. Thanks for the good luck Michelin star. I don't need luck though, I got this. I'm kind of like the best chef of all time. I went into a hyperbolic time chamber and learned how to cook for thousands of years. So basically it's over for anyone else who wants to get a Michelin star. They're actually gonna redefine it off of like how good of a chef I am. And now the Michelin stars are gonna be for like, if they're at all close to the meals that I've prepared, you know? That seems like a believable enough story, I reckon. Yeah, watch this. Checkpoint 6 deathless. I got this. What? Okay. I guess. Gordon failed making a grilled cheese sandwich. When did that happen? What? That's who I'm going up against? SMH. I do know that Gordon Ramsay promoted pizza bowls at some point. So it's over for Gordon Ramsay right now. Their credibility, it's gone. Check general. Yeah, sure. I can do that real quick. Twitch is being mean. Oh. Hey, you can see like a couple of frames of it. Like the greatest thing of all time. Wow. Wow, this is awesome. That's great. And if I could give a higher score than a 10 out of 10 for sleep, I would. That's crazy. Hang on, I'll super react piece the line. How about that one? That's so goofy. Wow, I can't believe Twitch is doing that. Someone ought to stop Twitch. Yeah, that is a banger viewing experience, honestly. I wish Twitch was like that always. I'd love getting served ads every like 3 seconds on that also. Crap. I wonder if it's me. Okay, no, it is 0 dropped frames. Oh, whoops. How did that happen? Ooh, watch out. Ooh. it's a ghost. A ghost is messing with my OBS. This is crazy. Oh. Okay. This flag looks top 1. It is. Finally, someone will say it. Someone's brave enough to. This flag is way harder than Venus. I don't know about you, but Venus is pretty easy. As somebody who's cleared it. Compared to this flag, which is absurdly hard. Hardest thing of all time. Grand Pod Demon. Okay, watch this. First try flag 1. Crap. Yeah, I gotta complain real quick. Flag 1, it's so hard. I'm never gonna beat it. It's too hard for me. I'm never gonna get this run of flag 2 and 1 back to back. You know? Alright, now watch this. The complain buff will work. What? I don't even get what happened there. The block just didn't spawn. Hardest map in GM that is tech heavy. Probably Solar Express, to be honest. There's so much tech in that thing. Oh, true, okay. I'm going to get this, but also like, oh, this sucks, you know. There we go. Watch this. Ads again, what? Okay, Twitch is going crazy mode, I guess. Twitch is like, this user right here. Give them 600 ads. Darn. Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay, wait, yeah. My bad. Good luck, Solar. Yeah, Twitch is getting a lot of money right now. Let's go. We'd love that for Twitch. Rainbow effect on screen. I don't really know how to do that. I still haven't even set up like sound alerts or anything. Forest path. Unfortunate. Pretty close in difficulty though. Let's be real here. Yeah, good luck exam. I think you'll ace the exam. I reckon anyways. Oh my gosh, I might beat flag 1, everybody. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I just like the idea of prolonging that last note for like as long as you possibly can in game. Like I just like the idea of doing that. It's so funny. Yeah, don't worry. This stream's gonna suck. Nothing is gonna happen this stream whatsoever. I'm going to lose. It's gonna be great. You won't miss anything. Chat, don't tell Hammer Slimer, but I'm about to get the golden. It's gonna be the biggest fluke of all time. People will talk about it for generations because of how crazy of a fluke it is. Does this work? Uh-oh. Yeah, true. That'd be a good problem to get on a test, though. I don't even understand what half that stuff is. Like, 20? I never got that high. Highest number I know is 18. Or 23, either one. Oh yeah, EHS 19. No, not 19. 29. There we go. I was thinking about how many flags there were in Grandmaster Heartside, but I neglected to think about Expert Heartside. That counts way higher. Goes all the way up to 29. That's probably the highest number I know, though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I mean, you could still do the redeem, like, theoretically. I should make a first redeem, but it's like 20,000 or something. First person to redeem it 100 times gets something cool. The one time you don't want to State Farm ad. I love State Farm. I'll probably never use them, but I like their ads. I have no idea. They're insurance of some type, which does in fact mean that they are beyond evil, but they got Jake from State Farm, and that's cool. Yeah, like a good neighbor. I love Jake from State Farm. It's a shame the entire industry of insurance is so corrupt. Otherwise, I'd like State Farm a lot more. Evil State Farm, like a bad neighbor. State Farm isn't there. Holy crap. That's like a dark and sinister version of State Farm. A full glimpse into that reality would make some people go insane. And I have like a way better idea for the cycle there. Potentially, maybe. No, they're never there, actually. They're like, ooh, we can't cover this cost, actually. We don't want to. And then you have to pay the full thing, even though that's what the insurance is supposed to be there for. Okay, there's gotta be some way to, like, go up like that. I don't know, something like that. Middle of the woods without any clothes. That's hype. That's what I want to do one day. I've always dreamed of being a crazy person in the woods that scares people a bunch, you know? There's got to be something like that, so that I can just skip a cycle for a second. Like that, and then does this line up well? Not really at the end there. Yeah, I'm sure they'd be happy to. Hello. Okay, I guess I'm stuck to just learning how to do it with this cycle. Ugh. Why is the cycle mad? Because I keep beating it. Like, look at this. And then I always taunt it. I'm like, this cycle is so easy. This cycle isn't madness, it's easiness, you know? And then the cycle gets even more mad. The seaside's gonna go crazy. I have no idea when you're supposed to jump at the start. That did not work. I know from respawn cycle you just go immediately, but with the golden you don't use a respawn cycle, unfortunately. Sadly enough, although I wish you did. Per plan, there we go. 5 is just like a beehive, that's what I'm saying. This is Strawberry Jam by the Strawberry Jam team. It's a hype mod. Haven't gotten this far? Ah. How far in are you? Out of curiosity. On advanced. Yo, good luck with advanced. I love advanced lobby. It's awesome. Yeah, this is like the final challenge of the mod, the very last map at the end of it all. This looks insane. Nah. It's a pretty alright room, I reckon. Or a pretty alright map. I gotta practice like some of the earlier stuff in it. Yeah, I think anyone could get to like this far. It just takes a little while. I've always really loved Strawberry Jam, specifically because, like, as hard as it gets, I feel like its difficulty curve to it is, like, anyone could beat it. If you, like, do all the maps beforehand, like, getting up to here, it's definitely possible to beat, which I've always thought is really cool. I wish I got to experience the difficulty curve. I had already played through like 1,000 hours of this game and like a bunch of other mods before this came out. So I didn't get to like experience what it's like to play through it as like only having played vanilla beforehand. Oh well though, made it so that I could beat all this stuff faster, that's for sure. Oh yeah, I remember my first playthrough of like anything with ultras. It took me so long to figure out how they worked. It's Moonberry, yo. GG Moonberry? Yeah, I think anyone who's capable of beating Strawberry Jam, or I think anybody who does beat Strawberry Jam is just capable of anything, to be honest. It's kind of just like, you know, if you spent the time, if you were that motivated to do it, then there's nothing stopping you from doing anything that you want to be honest. A strat suggestion? Nope. I'm doing the stratless. One day I'll actually make that that frequently asked question thing. Oh, I missed the jellies, unfortunate. In the base game, golden strawberries, all that's left for you. Yo, GG on all the rest of this stuff. I really like golden berries. That's actually what I'm going for here. I'm not just going for like a clear in this map. I'm trying to like beat this map deathless, which is considered to be kind of hard a little bit, but I enjoy going for these types of things, so. Grandmaster said is a tier 6. Yeah, roughly that, I reckon. It's about as hard as, like, it's probably a little harder than Farewell Golden, if I had to guess. I don't know, though. I haven't finished it, so it's up for debate. Okay, is it just a Twitch-wide thing, or is my internet just, like, garbage right now or something? Because last time I checked, OBS told me I had, like, 0 dropped frames. But maybe that's not the only metric of, like, if a stream quality is going bad mode. It says I have 0 dropped frames, and it's like, okay, it's dropping down to like 500 kilobytes a second, which I'm pretty sure is bad. I think that, yeah, that's like where it's supposed to be, like 2,000 or something. Okay, so did anyone get any network errors in like the past couple seconds or so? Honestly, I think controller and keyboard are pretty equal. It's really just a matter of like which one's more comfortable for you. Like, you can do any of this stuff with controller. And if controller is more comfortable than you, then it probably would be easier on controller than keyboard. Where did the thing go? The cannonball. Bitrate was a bit weird. Oh, okay. Bitrate went down when it was at 500 kilobytes a second. Okay, so my Wi-Fi is just being weird then, I guess. Don't know what's up with that. If only I had Eggsy's, like, bitrate and all that. That's crazy. A network error. No! Why is Twitch doing this? What the hey? I don't want to like restart the stream because of like the whole watch streaks thing. Don't want to mess up some people's watch streaks, but like Twitch is being kind of rude right now. Also, I don't know why I was dying to this flag so much. Kept messing up that, like, ultra part. I kicked again, that's not good. Okay, what's up with that Twitch? At twitch.tv. Why is it running not great? It'll be your first ever chat message. You need ideas. Oh, that'd be awesome. There's probably some good ones. I don't know. Dang, that's an awesome channel point redemption though. Just make someone tweet stuff. I love that. Now it's going for election D-side golden. I don't think that'll make much sense in the context of like Doggy's Twitter there. Because Doggy is not, or I don't know, maybe they've played Celeste at some point. But I also don't think anyone following Doggy would know what election D-side golden would mean. Blah. Yeah, true. Yeah. Election D-side clear looks like it could be fun. The golden, though, seems annoying, to say the least. Yeah, there's a mod that replaces the bumper sound effects with cat noises, and it's awesome. One of the best mods ever, actually. Tunic. I don't know. I've heard of Tunic. Seems like an interesting game. Yeah, it's always 3. It's gotta be. Dang. There's like an extra dot there in the middle. Tunic is incredible. I've heard that. I've heard a lot of really good stuff about it. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of like most types of games. I'm kind of just like someone who goes for these types of games, for example. Tunic inspired map. Yeah, I heard about that. I remember Dama mentioning that last night. All I really know about Tunic is that everything in the game is a separate language, and you just have to figure the language out, from what I remember. And then there's also like the dash codes from Celeste, except like there's one that's like 100 dashes long or something. I don't know. I know there's some goofy stuff there though. Oh yeah, Tunic does have a fox in it. 2. I mean, it's always 2. Statistically, looking at all the dice rolls that have happened today, it's always 2. So, I guess we'll see. It's always 4. That's what I always say, you know? Unfortunately. Darn. Close though. 4 is almost like 2, but if it was more. Yeah, pretty much 0 if you think about it. Yeah, surely next time, I reckon. Can only get unlucky for so long before it happens. I reckon. That was my mindset with Pumber, so... You know... One day. Alright, good luck, JTOH. I gotta play more of that. I think I've only cleared like 4 of the towers. Yeah, unless you're Nini, in which case... Funwa, you know? Dang. I mean, Nini has actually rolled the right number, like, at least a couple of times. It's crazy, though. The average amount of, like, dice rolls to actually roll the dice successfully is, like, absurdly high for some reason. And then for CVZen, it's, like, a 50-50, pretty much. It's crazy. Darn. I might start on trying to get the checkpoint 4 flags twice in a row, to be honest. Might finally start on that. Just so that I have an excuse to practice flag 7 a bunch, to be honest. Hello. Thanks for the congrats on my first Michelin star. I finally did it. I dethroned Gordon Ramsay. I hope I just get the 2x on this in like 3 seconds. That would be so cool. This is a 2x attempt, so I'd be over the moon if that happened. You get it? Because there's a moon in the background. Lol. Okay, that sure was fast. There we go. 2x Dreep. I haven't even gotten the watch streak because I keep saying. Oh, that sucks. What? Okay, well, I hope that can stop for at least like 10 minutes or something so you can at least get the watch streak. Do I just have invincibility on? What was that? How did I die? Or how did I not die there anyways? I guess not. Yeah, it happens a lot to me too. I just don't notice. What? Okay. I'm not counting that as a flag cleared. This isn't a 2x attempt. I reckon you have, I'm gonna guess. Because maybe it doesn't actually care if you have, like, the stream being watched or, like, open or something. Is what I'm hoping. And it's just, like, having the chat open and everything. Hopefully makes it count. Hopefully. I don't know. Plan. Wait, no. Whatever. I meant to not do that so I could do a 2x attempt. What am I doing? What? Oh, it is right here. Okay. Here's the 2x attempt. Watch this. Okay, there we go. I got the 2x. Anyways, let's follow it up by getting this first try. What do we think? Okay, then. Yeah, I try to not hit enter, but sometimes when I'm like typing numbers or something, because I always use the numpad, and there's an enter key very close to the numpad, I will sometimes accidentally like hit enter in the middle. I always love doing that, it's fun. Yeah, I don't like the B820's key sensitivity. It's terrible. I hate it. It's like the most sensitive thing on earth. I'm sure I could put one single dust bunny on one of these keys and then press it fully. Crap. That's the wrong button. I meant to try and like pause buffer through the spinners. Or not pause buffer, spinner stun, that's what it's called. Hammer, you should become a gardener, I agree. crap. You're gonna turn into a gnome. What? That's crazy. Don't turn into a gnome. That wouldn't be good. Gnomes are evil. We all know that. Because Marky's getting all those ads, actually, I'm pretty sure. Marky's hogging them all. That's my guess. Darn. Network errors on mobile too? What? How? How is that even? Oh my goodness. Please, Wi-Fi. I beg. Stabilize at least a little bit. Come on, you got this. Yeah, just me. I don't know. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is doing this. Hotel internet. Let's go hotel internet. Press the document key. What is the document key? What? Oh! This key. Never mind. I know what the document key is. I don't know what it does. Wait, did me pressing that just open up Word? That'd be cool if that's what it did. No, it did not open up Word like 6 times or how many times I pressed it. I should press hang on, what's the combination? It's Shift, Control, Windows, Alt, and L. All at the same time. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Control, Shift, Alt, and L. Open up LinkedIn, you know. Hello, Blair. Thanks for the raid. Did you beat Grandmaster Heartside? Did you do it? Did you win? I'm guessing you won, right? You got this? GG! Let's go! That's so hype. .5 hours. Dang, my guess. I lost. Oh well. GG! I don't even remember how many deaths I guessed in that one thread. On what? They just cleared LXVI! They did it! Woo! The goat. 18 hours and 5k deaths. So my deaths was off by like a little bit. Yeah, your guess was really good then. Mine was 37 hours. I'm slow at clearing. Tragic. Meow. Yeah, I got like 22,000 deaths on my first clear. I save stated like a decent bit though. Yeah, you can watch the GMHS streams. Let's go. GG. On flag 9, you had to quit because of lag. Oh, I accidentally... See, this keyboard is like the most sensitive thing on earth. I like put my hands back on the keyboard and I accidentally pressed the Windows key because of it. Like, it's crazy. So Blair, do you think you're gonna golden this? I reckon you got this. I know I can disable Windows keyboard, like FN F8 or something. It's gone. I can't press Windows anymore. No, this is so sad. Not a chance. What? I think you could do it. I reckon. Tier 9. Wouldn't this be tier 8? I'm pretty sure. Oh, I thought you were just doing the thing with like the ascending tiers, since I'm pretty sure they're switching to those at some point again. Plus 50 chest, GG. I love the channel point chests. Okay, hear me out though. What if I'm like already busy with stuff? Hypothetically, hear me out here. Yeah, I really want to clear all the other 3 stars, because I don't know. This is only high 1 star. Ugh, am I right? Gross, I want to clear the 3-star maps. Okay, 2x attempt. Watch this. Oh, why did I dash down left? What am I doing? Yeah, high tier 1. I think this is high tier 1, to be honest. Okay, 2x attempt. Watch this. I got this. Well, that's fast. I was expecting that to take like 2 hours or something. Alright, 3x. Watch this. 3x attempt, I guess. What? I was genuinely expecting that to take like several hours. Alright. Yeah, no 3x, darn. What? Okay. I really need to stop just like stalling and just do checkpoint 6 deathless already, but it's so hard. And I haven't even made it to flag 1. I've made it to flag 1 single time, and it was in a warm-up run yesterday. Just completely random out of nowhere fluke, and then I haven't made it back there. Like, it's so hard. Yeah, I fluked a checkpoint 6 entry, exactly, with the golden. Yeah, I was telling you, flag 2 is just like impossible. It's just a really hard flag, just all around. Like, I'm sure it gets consistent. It's just really, really hard. Actually, I was kind of like, I wasn't really chatting, but I was lurking a lot last night. I had your stream on my second monitor while I was like video editing and stuff. And I'd like occasionally look over when I'd see like a far run or something. I saw that you died to like the last couple of climb jump things like a few times. It was like, that was unfortunate. Oh my gosh. It was, it was cool to see you finally beat it though when that did happen. I was getting invested though, just like whenever I'd look over and see you had a far run. Theo Goltra, yeah, let's go. But yeah, this flag is really hard. No highlights video? Darn. That's reasonable though, they take a while to make. I'm only like just now getting around to making highlight videos for like the first 100% like playthrough from a year and a half ago. Holy cow though, making a video for GMHS I feel like is gonna take me a little while. Oh, 10 deaths, am I right? Watch this, though. Pow! 1x2 tile overhang. I've gotten addicted to doing those now that I know how to. Making it here with the golden's gonna be crazy, I think. Darn. The sequence so long, because it's awesome. And also, I don't think they cared about if people did the golden or not on this. They kind of just, this is supposed to be cleared, I think, and that was it. Because to be fair, you know, this was made back, like, when I think one tier 0 thing had been done ever. So, you know. Yeah, I was watching Viddy's GMHS Golden thing. I'm pretty sure they don't jump off the red wall either. I just do it because why not? I'm pretty sure it lines up pretty perfectly so that you don't have to. But I'm basically just going for this all-intended route. Like I did with Expert Heart said. No, I died. This is so sad. Anyways. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get any of these screens consistently. I just have to play them like tens of hours each, I reckon. I really wish CCT tracked playtime in individual rooms back when I did Shattersong Full Clear Silver, so that I could have seen how much time I had in Warped, because it had to have been like 20 or 30 hours. I'm pretty sure. Crap. Nah, I'm not really going to be using strats in this Golden at all. Unless it's just like a knowledge thing about like a certain nuance of it or something. Yeah, this song basically is just for Flag 2. It's awesome. Because it's like, realistically, how long are you going to spend in Flag 3? Walk off of one of them. Oh, really? I don't know, there's a couple of things I've seen about Maze that you can do just like ever so slightly different. Are you able to just practice Maze? Are you able to just like do this or something? Oh, this looks goofy, but it does work. Oh, I can't neutral because I was in the other thing. Oh, and also that, I guess. Okay. So maybe not recommended, but I guess you could, theoretically. It's like golf. Okay, yeah, not getting a flag 1 entry ever again, I guess. I don't know. That was the wrong button. Part of the song with a faster tempo is the exact same duration as flag 2. Huh. Alright. I really want to, like, figure out the cycle, like, music-wise for flag 1, so that I know that, like, you know, if you wait exactly 15 cycles or something at the start, then, you know, you'll reach the bird right at, like, the climactic point of the song. Like, at some point I want to try and figure that out and see what point you're supposed to be at there. So I think that'd be cool. Take a couple minutes. Yeah, probably. 37 cycles. Does it look like the stream is 120 FPS? That's like the exact opposite of what I've heard usually. Alright. I've been hearing about like how the stream is like keeps disconnecting and stuff. The stream is running 120 FPS, that'd be crazy. I should have 120 FPS. I don't know how you'd stream at that FPS though. I don't know how that'd work. That's crazy. I think Flag 2 is actually impossible. I'm sorry to say. But I don't think this golden is possible because of how hard Flag 2 is. .120 FPS streaming became the norm. My PC would light on fire every time I click go live, I think. Given how much it struggles already when I'm like streaming, that would be a solid uh-oh, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, if you could get a computer capable of doing that for like, I don't know, $1,000 or something, price of an average phone nowadays, then I think that'd be cool. I don't know how Apple keeps getting away with like charging that much for stuff, because I'm pretty like, from everything I've seen anyways, everyone always universally makes fun of Apple when they announce something and it's like thousands of dollars. People are like, lol. That's hilarious. That's so expensive. And then like people still buy it anyways. And they stay in business. Like, it's crazy. I don't get it. A vocal minority. Ah, okay. Makes sense. Me when I charge $1,000 for a phone. Ghost, you better go catch it. Yeah. I don't use Apple, and I don't really want to use Apple, to be honest. Not even just because they're expensive. It just seems like they're more limited in what you can do with them. Which kind of sucks. They also take such a large pay cut of everything on the App Store. Which is why people make stuff more expensive, specifically on the Apple App Store. Like, Twitch subscriptions have been more expensive on Apple for, like, a long time. Just specifically because Apple has been, like, taking some, like, 30% cut from Twitch on that stuff. Like, it's goofy. Wow. I don't know why I went into the menu. I have a button that teleports me. Like, watch this. Pow! There you go. True. It'll still always be like one of the funniest things ever when Google tried to market Chromebooks as good for gaming. Like that'll always be hilarious to me. They're super fast, everyone, we promise. You can play all the modern age games on Chromebooks. Like, surely, yeah, I reckon. The progress on this is, actually, I got flag 7-2x. I was about to say there was, like, no big progress today, and then I remembered I got flag 7-2x, and it only took, like, I don't know, like 10 minutes or something. So, you know what? I'd say not too bad. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they don't even support most games, because most games aren't gonna, like, code an entire, like, extra engine for the game to be ported to a new platform for, like, 3 users that play on Google Chrome. Yeah, exactly. I remember school using those laptops. It's awesome. I think the only thing that you could play on those laptops was like Cookie Clicker. I remember in like some science class where we had those laptops, because the laptops were just in the classroom for like the full year, and they looked like they were, like, even at the time that I was in this like middle school, you know, they still looked like over a decade old to me. Though I'm sure Chrome wasn't quite that old, or I'm sure Chromebooks weren't quite that old at that time. They just looked like the type of computer that would be from like the 90s or something. And like it just got to a point where like everybody in the entire class, because like we weren't gonna do stuff, you know, we weren't gonna be productive, we're kids given laptops in school, you know, we're gonna be playing Cookie Clicker on them. You know, so that's like a big I remember me and a bunch of other kids just like playing a bunch of Cookie Clicker and just trying to like get far in it. It's like in class. It was hype. Just over the... I mean, we all lost interest because we were kids after, like, a month of Cookie Clicker, but, you know, it was hype. Two years ago, that was still awful. Let's go. I don't think I've used the, like, newer types of Chromebooks that they have nowadays that show up in the ads, so I can't speak to those quality, but I imagine they're not that good, if I had to guess. They can't run Celeste. Crud. I got beef with Google now. Only now, not after all the other stuff they've done, but now, because they can't run Celeste, I reckon. Cool math games version. Oh, World's Hardest Game? I've beaten the first 2 World's Hardest Games. I actually just, like, at some point I installed something that allowed you to, like, run Flash games again. And I installed the, like, the files for the first 4 World's Hardest Games. I never did 3 and 4. I tried 3 for, like, a couple of hours, but because it doesn't save your progress on, like, the installed version, I was never able to, like, actually beat it because of that. Maybe one day I'll try, but back then I tried, when I beat World's Hardest Game 1, it took like an hour or 2 or something, and I was like, yo, that's hype. I wasn't expecting to actually be able to beat it. So I started the second one at some point, like the next day, and it was like, you know, I had like a somewhat normal sleep schedule at the time, so it was like 10 p.m. or something. I had woken up and decided, you know what, I'm gonna beat World's Hardest Game 2 today. And I remember at some point, cause my grandma was visiting that day. I don't remember why, I just remember my grandma was visiting that day. And I was still playing World's Hardest Game 2 at like 8 p.m. or something. Like all that time later. And I was just showing my grandma World's Hardest Game 2. You know? Like 10 hours after I had started it. And then I remember, I think I finally beat it like at midnight or something. So it definitely took a while. Oh yeah, no, I meant to say 10 a.m. is when I woke up, not 10 p.m. Yeah, normal sleep schedule. I woke up at 10 p.m. and then my grandma visited at like 8 p.m., you know. I had a time machine actually in my room. So I woke up and then was like, I'm going back in time to play World's Hardest Game 2 for 14 hours. But yeah, that was fun. I enjoyed doing that. Real talk. Was this Deathless from Flag 3? I don't know. Wait, yeah, it was. Because I did it from like, Okay, wait, this is a Flag 1 run. Okay, that's cool. This is from like a restart chapter in Flag 3. And it still says 0 deaths on all of that, so... I gotta chat here, you know? Oh. Ah! Okay then. Goofy. I died. No. Runs over. Alright, watch this, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. I haven't even played World of Goo 1, unfortunately. I'm sorry to say. No, I was too late. That sucks. I was too slow to get it. Whatever. No, I don't think I've ever done that type of stuff. I don't care. It's like 10 seconds. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, Risk of Rain 1.5 speed. Let's test it. I'm down to see. And let's play Risk of Rain at 1.5 times speed. I'm curious about that a little bit. Where is it? There it is. Okay, I don't have variants on, hang on. Wait, no, but I have extended variants. Oh, game speed is like the first one. Okay, 1.5 times speed, here we go. Let's try it. Oh, whoops. I died, everyone. Okay, so I think I remember everything there is in this map. No, I died. No, I think I remember where everything is. I gotta go back there to the first room anyways, though, for like the key and everything. So I'll just get the good lag spike. Uh-oh. Risk of rain. Yeah, true. They should do that. I mean, they wouldn't have you do wave dashes in advanced, right? Advanced lobby isn't the one with like wave dashes, I'm pretty sure. Oh, thank goodness there's a checkpoint there. I was kind of worried. Mid-air supers, uh-oh. Please have a checkpoint. Okay, good. Yeah, I did it. I don't even remember how to get this thing. Oh yeah, this definitely is a lot more fun than like normal Risk of Rain, I'll be honest. Oh, yeah, there we go. I did it. Whoops. I'm pretty sure that's like what I did in my normal playthrough. I'm like pretty sure. Or something, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's what I usually do though, is just like do the up dash. There we go. I kind of suck at doing any tech like this because I don't have the muscle memory of 1.5x speed. Crap. Is there a Risk of Rain too? I thought it was just Risk of Rain, and then they had like a DLC also. Yeah, I'm sure if you got used to this speed, this map would probably be more fun like this, to be honest. Those sound effects are awesome, honestly. Crap, please, 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 no! I was hoping there'd just be a checkpoint there. Yeah, there's a world's hardest game 4. Oh, there we go. And this is for a berry, right? Yeah, this is for a berry. There is a Risk of Rain too. Oh, okay. Interesting. There is a Celeste too, that is true. Crap. I wonder how many of the maps are possible sped up, because I know that speeding up the game kind of messes with the physics a little bit. To get a true, like, high-speed gameplay version, you have to, like, use cheat engine, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's a Celeste 3. It's goated. Crap. This better not, like, mess up my muscle memory of, like, how some of these inputs work, you know? Invalid authorization code. Can't believe Twitch would do this. Psych, I can after today. Crap. I'd be down to try Hypnagogy at a higher speed. That sounds fun. I like Hypnagogia. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, there we go. If it does break the buffer, that'd be crazy. That could be like a fun challenge. I don't even remember how you do this at like normal speed. This part, like, right here. Wait, no, you don't. No, you don't use that platform. You use the other one. Yeah, there we go. This room took me a while in my first playthrough. I have no idea what you're supposed to do here, to be honest. Something like that, probably, I reckon. Oh, really? Yeah, dream jumps being hard at 160 sounds kind of funny. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I remember seeing the like 160% speed Farewell Golden. That was really cool. That's awesome that that's been done. Risk of Reindeer Man be like, find my 8 mini berries. Crap. Zero gravity farewell would be so funny. Farewell how it's meant to be played, you know? Since you're out in space. Crap. Lol, I have 420 deaths in this map. Never mind. Not anymore. Yeah, I did it. I imagine most of the rooms probably aren't possible in zero gravity, though. This is only 1.5x speed, unfortunately. Is that supposed to just be like a super or something? Yeah, no, that's definitely not a super. Yeah, this part's a little bit hard at this speed. I'll keep it real. I have an idea though. Yeah, new strat. Thoughts on this strat, everyone? Ah, what? There's spinners there. 160% speed max percent. Yeah, true, I should do that. The silly demo later in this room. Oh yeah, there's that one demo. Nah. I reckon. Gotta see how much of Risk of Rain is possible. I mean, it's all possible, but like, how much I can do personally. Aren't you supposed to like go up here or something? Yeah, what's down? What is even down here? I don't even remember. Oh, nothing. Okay, that makes sense. No, there's nothing over here either. Don't need a dash. Please don't need a dash. God dang it. Yeah, maybe they were accidentally playing at 150-10 speed. Or 150% speed. Because, like, I could see this being tier 7 like this. But, you know. Crap. Hey, that worked. Okay, and then there's one up here too. I know this isn't an ultra, but I want to do the ultra anyways. It probably doesn't work. No. You can't neutral in this map, right? Yeah, you can't. Uh-oh. Alright then. Man, this map sucks. You can't even neutral in it. Yeah, I also hate mini bears, to be honest. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, it is a really long map, but like, nothing in it is hard, is the thing. Or at least in my opinion, anyways. Or not really hard enough to warrant it being in like tier 7. Oh. Okay, that works. That's good. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. I will say, I think the only map where they're really used well is, like, raindrops on roses. Specifically because this is a map where you can go back and explore. Like, there's no really point of no return. And the only point of no return is one where it tells you this is the point of no return. With, like, the heart and everything. I still hate them, but, you know, of all the maps that have used them, I think this is the only map that's used them well. I'll say that much about this map. Even though I don't like this map. Yeah, I hated the ways collapsing skyline used them. Like, you can't go back. Can you go back in that map? I have no idea. I don't like collapsing skyline, though. Gotta get the cat. I wanna minimize the amount of this map that I have to play. I wanna get the extra keys. Out of 8. I did it. Anyway, there's like a checkpoint over here, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah. Crap. Crap. I think Ghost has already been naming every cat in Advanced. Wouldn't have made the cut. Yeah, probably Phase. I know the obvious answer of like, oh, but Malfunction. But no. I would have rather cut out the Phase bear. That bear sucks. I actually like Malfunction. I don't like Phase Berry though. I did it. Yeah, Malfunction only sucks for specifically the full clear silver. And that's it. Other than that, though, I'm fine with it. Okay, Raindrops on Roses, full clear at 1.5x speed. Can I hit the frame perfect, though? Hey, I did it. Okay. I want to try Hypnagogia, though. High-speed Hypnagogia sounds cool. Yeah, no cat, invalid. Unfortunate. I don't know where Hypnagogia is. I'm going to teleport to it. Oh, that's right, it's in yellow. Skyline Usurper would be really hard with this, I'm pretty sure. I'm fine with just doing this one. Chat, I have some unfortunate news. So you know how higher speeds kind of break the physics? This is one of those moments. It doesn't work. Oh well. Hypnagogia is not possible. Unfortunate. No, Hypnagogia is possible on 1 speed though. Let's do it on there. How about that? Yeah, no, just the very first room is immediately where it breaks. That's awesome. I really love my silver stats on this map also, by the way. I think they're hype. This map's really hard, I promise. No, I don't. This map is really sight readable. That barrier I had to like actively think about, but that was about it. Ah, dang, I didn't get it. I'm not someone who can just remember a map that I played like 5 billion years ago. This is just like a sight readable map. It is hard if you don't have dream hypers down, and I think that's the whole point of this map, is to like teach you dream hypers. But if you actually know dream hypers, it's just like hype, you know? That berry's hard though, I will say. No. Dang. Whatever, this map's impossible actually, I've decided. Muscle memory just disappears the second you get the silver. That's pretty reasonable, honestly. Yeah, it's possible to sight read Deathless. I actually kinda did. The last couple rooms of the map, like the last 2 or so rooms of the map, I actually completely sight read first try on my first playthrough somehow, which I was really proud of. I thought that was cool. How did I do a 1x3 tile overhang? I thought that was cool. I don't know, I just knew my dream hypers. I guess I could just sight read it from there. Nope, no ethereal ascension. It's not allowed. I don't know, I feel kind of done. I'm pretty satisfied with today. I got flag 7-2x. That only took 10 minutes out of the day. The rest of it was kind of like, you know, nothing happened. But, you know, more than yesterday, I guess. Pinball Purgatory. Ooh. I should try it. Impossible to get consistent? I don't know. That map's goofy. I remember that took me like a few hours or something to do at first. Like my silver of that was like one of the longer ones of Advanced, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna check real quick because I'm curious. Sam, here it is. Where even is B Berserk? Oh, there it is. Okay. 1 hour, 43 minutes? Yeah, I don't know. Never mind. Maybe that's not the longest, because there's a lot of the red ones that took a little bit longer, but, you know. I really like the total stats of GM lobby silvers being 686 hours. Like, that's awesome, I think, in my opinion. Nothing cool again for like 3 hours. Oh, I love those types of sessions. Those are always the best, to be honest. Where you do something at the start and then the rest of the session is like terrible. By something you mean 3K. What? You don't mean that you beat the entire map deathless? The whole summit side? Tragic. D1, C7. I want to try 7 collab at some point. It seems so cool. Like on the one like Molden website where you track mold and everything. The 7 collab tab exists somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, here it is. 7 collab. And it's like, nobody's done it. So it's like, I don't know. I'd want to try it at some point. These seem like they could be fun. I mean, some of them are probably hard, but I think it'd be fun. Yeah, you have a 7 collab map. That's one that I played. Yeah, no one's done these. A lot of these anyways. Like, I think it could be cool to try. I wonder how it would be possible to track a full clear of 7 seri. Because this one has like 700 of them, so it's kind of like hard to track, I imagine. Very low effort jokes. Yeah, that's true. The Summit collab side. Lobby. Oh yeah, they do just have lobby as a difficulty here. Lobby. Let's go. No, I'm pretty sure just nobody went for these. I think everything's been migrated from the sheet at this point. I'm pretty sure just nobody bothered with 7 collab all too much. So I kind of want to at some point. I think it'd be fun. Fun little thing to try. You know? It has 1 tier 7. I wonder what it is. Wrong path. What? You don't go up? That's what you're supposed to do in 7C though. GM plus 1 or GM plus 2. Oh, awesome. That's pretty hype. Okay, how much of this are they AFK for? Oh, none of it. Okay. Or that's all of it anyways, just like 20 seconds. One person doing a bunch. Oh, let's go. I hope someone max percents this. That would be so cool to see. Yeah, I've never seen this map. I guess I didn't play this one. This seems like an interesting one, though. Also, the single dash crystals go kind of crazy. Yo, it's the 7C room time. Let's go. This collab reminds me a lot of that one I Want to Be the Guy fan game. The Game Boy Color collab or whatever. Just a bunch of different maps submitted for like that are all just meme jokes about one specific map. This seems like it could be a fun silver, honestly. Like, this one doesn't look too bad. Yo, they beat it. Let's go. That's so hype. They got it. Aw, what the? How could they do that to Grandma? Whatever, anyways, that's pretty cool, I think. Yeah, mapping does take a lot of time. Oh, dang. One of these rooms has a lot more deaths than the other. That's crazy. Room 4, I guess, is, like, hard? Impossible map, ISTG. Yeah, true. It looks like a fun map, though, to be honest. Seven bumper. Sounds kind of like Pumber, but if it was 7, you know? Summit Gravity Side. That would be hype. I really love maps that use Gravity Helper. They're so cool. Bye. We're gonna raid Izzy. She's doing some map. I don't know. I've never seen it. The title is I Hardly Know Her, though, which is kind of hype. I should raid Miss Heck. You're right, honestly. Anyways, good night, everybody. I should probably actually get Checkpoint 6 Deathless, huh? I should do that. That's crazy, you know? I don't know how I haven't gotten that yet. Probably because I don't like go for it that much. I've been practicing a bunch of the other stuff, but oh well, whatever. Anyways, good night, everybody. Bye.